Hello folks and welcome to Emmett's News Network. Today we'll be discussing a very important difference between legality and ethics in the issue of marijuana and how it relates to relativism. There are some big questions here that need to be addressed. Why is that marijuana has so many different punishments all over the country, and why is this a problem? This is what we will be discussing today. The first part we'll be discussing today is how the issue relates to relativism. As stated in our relativism slides, one of the major problems with relativism is that it is arbitrary. The issue of marijuana legality in the United States is also arbitrary. How relativism is arbitrary is by saying your morality is based on when and where you lived. This is very similar to our topic of marijuana legalization because the laws in states decide whether you're committing a crime based on where and when you lived. If you ask somebody, is marijuana legal, it would be the same as asking somebody from a different part of the world, is it midnight? Depending on where you live, the answer will be completely different. Similar to how relativism as a philosophy is flawed, these laws are flawed too. Another part we can discuss is the tension between legality and ethicality of marijuana. A big question is, should it be legal to smoke marijuana similar to how it is legal to drink alcohol? Well, this is an important topic because it brings up a ton of different issues. One big issue is the issue of incarcerated people in jail currently for marijuana-related charges. What happens to them? Did they serve their sentence for an offense that was formerly a crime but is now perfectly okay? Is that ethical? Also, there is a big problem with only some states legalizing the drug while others don't, because then it creates a divide in the American population's thoughts on whether it should be legal or not. This issue is likely to not be solved anytime soon because the US as a whole is very split on the issue of marijuana legality. Some Americans in states where it is legal believe that it is unethical and should be legal. Other Americans in other states believe it is unethical for it to be illegal and want the laws to be changed. This shows the difference between legality and ethicality from multiple points of view. No matter how split it is, this is a very important issue that still needs to be addressed.